Ugh, there's nothing I want in here. Oh, so you finally made it.
Sorry, I thought I'd make myself look good for you, man.
No. Yeah.
Have a seat, have a seat. But, are you in my cupboard again?
No, not at all. So, who else is coming?
Walter and Jay.
No. Cool.
Yeah.
So you had any exams recently?
Yeah, I had one the other day.
How'd it go?
Went down pretty well, actually.
Nice. What about you,
Business.
Jesus. Yeah. Oh, how's the water? Hello? Fair enough. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. That was Walter. He said he would be here soon.
Oh, hey, Jay.
Hello.
Come in.
Hey. Walter not here yet then?
Yeah, he rang a moment ago. He'll probably be here soon.
Oh, look like there's a storm coming soon.
You probably won't make it, will
That's Walter.
Water. With a storm like this, we'll probably get a power cut or something.
What do we do if that happens?
There's a backup generator outside. And there's also a backup generator out there in the shed as well. Someone has to go out there and switch on if it goes off.
Shotgun, not me.
Oh, that must be Walter. Oh, hey Walter. Hello. Come in, come in.
I brought this just in case there's a power cut. Ta-da! No, I'm not sitting like this all night. Who's going to turn on the generator?
No volunteers then? I'll take it.
How long is it going to take you to find that backup generator?
Oh, yeah.
No, back on.
We've got power, but now we haven't got any J. Well, how long does it take for him to walk back round here?
He's probably sitting in the garage. Not for worse out there.
We'll go check then. Hello? Jay? Marky? Walter?